I know my eye looks totally crazy right now, but I'm gonna continue and do this eye, and then we'll see how it looks at the end. Okay, so the next color I'm gonna use, I already used this color here, which is the color Power, the one with the crown. But the next color I'm gonna go in with is Deceased right here, and I really like this color. And with this color right here, and this is color Crystal Flesh, and this is just like a nice shimmer. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put some of the Deceased color on the outer corner again. Okay guys, so that's pretty much the eye look, and I know it looks crazy right now, but let me go ahead and put the rest of my makeup on and I'll show you guys how it looks all together. So this is the final look. It looks so much better all put together than the way it looked before with just the eyeshadow. But yeah guys, that's the final look. I hope this video was helpful for you guys, and if you guys are planning to get this palette, I do recommend to only get this palette either if you're a collector or if you're not afraid to use color, because if you're afraid to use color, then it's harder to go in for it and just play with it. You know, like, I know I'm not a pro, and I know that my eyes might look crazy to some people, or some people would never do their eyes like this because it's something that they don't feel comfortable using, or they might feel like it doesn't look good on them, whatever it may be. If you guys like color and you guys want to play with color, I totally recommend this palette. I mean, I just really love all the colors. These are such pretty unique colors. Like, I really like this color right here, and then I like that one. It's like a shimmery color, so pretty. So yeah, I can't wait to play more with this palette. It definitely takes time to do an eye look. Like, it really took me maybe like an hour to do my whole face and my eyes. It does take patience, and for the most part I really don't have time to be doing like an eye look that takes a very long time. But I do recommend it if you want to play with color and you really like blue, or you like how this blue palette looks. I recommend it. So that's pretty much it guys, and remember, I'm not a pro and I was able to make it look okay. I mean, it is kind of crazy. You can't just, you know, go out and wear this look, which I'm probably gonna just leave it on today because I don't feel like taking it out. But it's just really up to you and your personality and how you feel comfortable. So go for it. If you really want to play with color, I recommend this palette. If not, and you're a collector, then I recommend it as well. If not, then just go ahead and maybe use this color with another palette if you just want like a little pop of blue, and that's all. But that's pretty much it for this video guys. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.